Hi everyone, Petal is Blessed here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you how I made these two glam DIYs for Valentine's. A lovely display tray and a decor vase.
Just for your attention, I work hard for it. Call me up right now, girl.
Alright everyone, we have this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is going to use this for the first part of our DIY number 1. And today's video is sponsored by AKA Shoes, which I'll showing you what they sent for me later on in the video. So we have these heart shapes here that I got from a local thrift store in my area. Oh, they look so cute, the little hearts. And we're also going to be using some of these flowers here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be painting both the flowers and the hearts with this candy cane pink color acrylic paint. So we're just going to take our little hearts and paint all of them pink. And now we're going to do the same thing with the flowers that we got from the Dollar Tree. Because I didn't have the flowers that I wanted, well the shape I wanted in the pink. So I just got these leaf-like shaped things and then I'm painting them with the pink paint. Okay, and then I'm going to put them in this foam to set aside to dry. And before the paint is dry, I'll be putting some of these glitter onto our leaves so they dry with the paint. Now I'm using some silver acrylic paint. I'll be painting a little heart, the little flower dents that are on top of the hearts. And now I'm going to add some silver glitter right on top of the silver paint. So like I said before, so the paint will hold the glitter onto our hearts. Those are drying. I'm going to tell you more about our sponsor today. Okay, AKA Shoes sent me a pair of Jordan Red Thunder, and they came in this box. And this is how they look inside the box. And here they are. I think they look really nice with the red and the black. And I said they're Air Jordan 4 Red Thunder. I like how they look. They look nice and well put together. And here's how they look from the back with a little jump man on the back. And here's a closer look. And they have the Air Jordans inside. And the construction of them are very nice. And you have a velvet touch. And this is the bottom. Little jump man on the bottom too. I like it. They look firm and nice. And there's another jump man here. And another one inside of the shoe. I love how the construction of the shoe is put together. And here they are on my feet. They feel and look so nice. And I love the red accented with the black. I like wearing what they call them, kicks or runners. In my time we call them runners. I like wearing them because I get swollen feet all the time, and wearing the running shoes I'm comfortable. They fit on my feet and I absolutely love them. So here we go. And moving around, they feel nice and comfy. Don't they look super cute? So I'm going to leave the link below to AKA Shoes so you guys can go down and click it off, and I have a discount code down there for you too. So you guys click the link, check them out, and get some for yourself. Alright, back to our DIY. So we have our vase here and our flowers and our hearts are all dry. Some with glitter, some by itself, and our little hearts. So we're going to use some hot glue and then just place our leaves and our hearts on our vase.
Loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Cause no one can tell me who to love. No one can tell me who to love. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be.
Okay, now that we're all placing our design on our vase, I'll be using some of this glam bling here that I got from BB Craft. And I'll be just using some hot glue and add it going around the top part of our vase. And here's the finished look for DIY number 1, our Glam Valentine vase.
You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey, she so vibey.
And here's how it looks with some flowers inside. You could use it by itself as an accent piece or add some flowers and it looks equally as lovely. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our DIY number 1. Now on to DIY number 2. I have this little tray here that I got from a local dollar store, and again I'll be using some more of the candy color pink paint. So we're just gonna paint out our tray all over. Okay, now our paint is all dry on our tray. So we're going to be coming in with some of this pink mirrored tiles that I got from BB Craft. And they come with adhesive on the back. So we're just going to peel it back and place them going right around our tray.
So vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing, yeah. She's so vibey, she's so vibe, she's so vibey. I don't know how I'm surviving.
So now that's all done. I'll be adding some of this glam chain here, going right around, and I will be using some Gorilla Glue to place it going around our tray. Okay, the next step now is that we're going to use some crushed glass. And I'll be putting it onto our tray using some Mod Podge. All the items that I'm using today will be listed down below in the description box so you can see what I use and where I got them from. So we're just going to place the Mod Podge going all over the bottom part of our tray. And then we're going to sprinkle the crushed glass lightly over the bottom part of our tray, evenly as possible. Because remember, we have to put things in our tray to stand up, so the crushed glass can't be bulky. Just make sure it's spread out evenly throughout your tray. Okay, so it's been a few hours. Our crushed glass is dry, so we're going to go back over with some more Mod Podge to help seal in our crushed glass. And And now I'm just adding some silver glitter to the bottom of our tray. Alright everyone, it's been a few hours and I added some more crushed glass to the inside of our tray, going up the sides. So it's all dry now. So now I'm going to add the legs to our tray, which I'm using these that I got from Amazon. Like I said before, the link will be down below in the description bar under show more, or just the arrow that says open up. Well, it doesn't say it, but it's pointing down. YouTube keep changing up their things that they're using. And here is the finished look for our glam Valentine's tray. I love how it looks with the crushed glass and the pink mirrored tiles. I think it looks so nice. A lovely added touch to add for your Valentine's decor this season, or to give as a gift for that special someone in your life. Oh, I think it looks lovely. And I love how the legs look. It looks super cute. And here is our vase on top of our tray. You can display anything you like on this tray. I'm just putting the vase there to give you an idea of how your decor will look. But they do look lovely together, don't they? And here we go with the flowers inside. I absolutely love this look. I think it looks beautiful. Alright everyone, I hope I have inspired you with a lovely Valentine's decor for this Valentine's season of 2023. And I hope you do make this for yourself or for that special someone in your life. And I hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be able to come back and see more of the DIYs that I have to share with you. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye everyone.